who will actually be handling my account day to day. Now, why is this really important is because most of the time, again, being super transparent with you, we are the agency. I am the founder of the agency. I'm also the main strategist still in the agency. Reason for that is because our agency right now is a white glove agency. We are not handling hundreds of accounts right now. But the moment that I would be a founder of an agency that's handling 50 plus, 100 plus, 200, 500 clients, you cannot expect me to be in the day-to-day of your business. One, because that means that I am not efficient as a business owner, right? The same way how you, who's handling how do I grow my brand? How do I bring new products? How do I increase my profit margins? You are looking for someone to specifically manage your ads or create your creatives or do this and that, right? It's not expected of you to handle all the parts of your business. The same way, depending on whoever is the founder, CEO of the business, they have their specific role growing whatever is there and making sure quality control on the systems that they put together is there. That's why I'm saying that it's really important for you to ask this question, who's going to be handling the day-to-day of the account? Because sometimes these questions are coming up. Is it you? Is it within the US, whoever is going to handle my account, or are you outsourcing this? And while this might seem as an intelligent question, usually whenever brands are asking, a better question would be, all right, so who's my go-to person if X happens? Why am I saying that? Is because if you are going to have direct access to the strategies and that is also the founder of the business, usually that is not the best, because what is going to happen is if they don't have a system in place to empower the employees that are underneath them, or if the employees that they already have, they are not way better at strategy than the founder itself is, what you're going to end up with is like always this bottleneck of back and forth and like what is going to happen and then who is going to implement and so on and so forth. So what is really important for you to ask instead of what you're looking into, who's handling my account, basically is the person that is going to report to me on a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly basis, whatever the sequence of reporting is, that person someone that I can talk to. They have the right answer, meaning that if I'm asking for the strategy of how to go to 5 million overnight, are they the person that are going to be able to answer that question? Or is this person someone that's going to bring to the strategist who is looking right now and managing technically the strategy on an account level, going to be able to answer? That way you will know clearly, all right, so the person that right now is in your day-to-day, that it's managing the account, that it's keeping it alive, might not be also the person who's going to create the strategy. Really important, but also I think this is something that most brands are not asking and most founders are not asking.